Hello Michael Todd Beauty family, and welcome to the how-to video for Michael Todd Beauty's new anti-aging and facelift serum and cream. After a long and thoughtful revamp of our skincare line, we are proud to introduce to you our very first duo in the rollout, which is suitable for all skin types and the perfect foundation for your best skincare routine. Both products are designed to lift, tighten, and plump the skin for instant results, but the healing ingredients will work to make your skin look better and better with each use. You want to start on a clean, dry face, and you always want to use your products from the lightest consistency to the thickest. Out of these two, we will be starting with the serum. I'm going to take one pump for my face, another pump for my neck, and a third pump for my décolletage. I'm then using our Sonic Eraser Pro to gently push those ingredients deeper into the skin to maximize those results. If you need a little bit more slip, it's okay to add some serum directly to the tool. After about 2 to 3 minutes, the serum is fully absorbed and I can move on to the next step. It smells botanical, calming, and my skin instantly looks and feels healthier. Next, we will be applying the new face cream. Just look at that color. The lavender hue will help to reduce the appearance of redness in the skin. And the dispenser was designed so that the ingredients aren't exposed to light, air, or debris. And your fingers never touch or contaminate product you aren't using right at this moment. This allows for the ingredients to stay potent and highly effective for 18 months. I'm going to apply the cream over my entire face, neck, and décolletage as a conditioning layer on top of the serum, or what you can think of as more of a treatment layer. I'm using the Sonic Eraser Pro for 1 to 3 minutes per section until the cream is fully distributed and my skin is glowing. You'll want to allow the skincare to fully absorb before applying any makeup or SPF. Before placing the Sonic Eraser back on the charger, wipe clean with a cloth, or you could disinfect with alcohol. The new Ageless Duo is gentle enough to use both morning and night. Consistent use can help you improve overall texture, firmness, and elasticity of the skin for a more lifted, sculpted look in just a few weeks.